I know that the killing of Alex Preety is hitting everybody hard. And we all understand that because of the Second Amendment, you have the right to protest, you have the right to freedom of speech. And because of gun rights, you have the right to bear arms, you have the right to carry a gun legally, et cetera, right? We all know our rights. However, because of this situation and everything that is going on right now in America with these armed bandits, and that's what I'm gonna call ICE right now, or whoever they are, Border Patrol, or contractors that they're just, getting off the street to wanna go wreak havoc on America. The main focus for you should be to keep yourself safe. The main focus should be for you to return home to your family. So if you're going to be out there protesting, if you're gonna take videos, if you're going to, exercise your freedom of speech and say whatever you want, you have to know that your main focus is for you to go home to your family. That means if you need to keep your gun at home, keep your gun at home. For this particular situation, keep your gun at home. And I am by no means, and I want everybody to understand this, I am by no means saying that because Alex, exercised his right to, bear arms and carry his gun legally, that got him killed or anything like that. But what I'm saying is because of the situation that is happening right now and these armed bandits not giving a damn about who you are and what you're doing or what you're not doing, in order to protect yourself and come home safely to your family, if you are going to protest, it is to keep your gun at home. That's all that I'm saying. All right. And we already know, I already know what people are going to be like. Well, Miss Good didn't have a gun. She had a vehicle, this, that, and the other. And I get that. And I understand. I'm just trying to say that let's attempt to not escalate, I guess, a situation so that you can come home to your family if you are going to go out there and protest. So all of this brings, as we know, all kinds of other things going on, right? Should we have the right to bear arms, right? Should we be able to protest? All of that type of stuff. As of right now, the main focus is simply to, if you're going to protest, to come home safely to your family. And if that means that you have to, give up one of your rights, as in carrying a gun legally, then do that if you're gonna go to the protests, in hopes that, that will de-escalate a situation and you can come home safely to your family.